Mary, your next patient is in room 3. It's a blood draw.
Okay, I'll be right there.
His name is Mr. Lima. He says he feels fine.
Good. I have everything ready. Needle, gloves, tubes.
Do you need help?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
2 minutes later.
John, come to room 3, please. Now.
What happened?
Mr. Lima fainted. He is on the floor.
Is he breathing?
Yes, but he is very pale.
Help me put him on his back. Lift his legs.
Like this?
Yes, good. Keep his legs up. It helps the blood go to his head.
He is starting to open his eyes.
Mr. Lima, can you hear me? You are safe. You fainted during the blood draw.
I think he was nervous. He didn't tell us.
It happens a lot. Next time, we ask first.
Good idea. I'll add it to the patient form.
Smart. Are you okay, Mary?
Yes, a little scared, but okay.
You did well. You called for help fast.
Thank you, John. We make a good team.